Another real life graph, question 6 on page 117. Tom went for a walk. It's nice. His walk is represented on this graph. So, doing, 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 doing. Okay. In which section of his walk was Tom walking the fastest? Well, the choice is that part or that part. We're looking for the steepest part, because if you're going for the steepest part, then you cover the greatest distance in the least time. And I can see that the section A to B is steeper than the section from D to E. So I'm going to call it A to B. And the slowest, well, the least steep is between C and D, therefore that's the slowest time. Yes, the slowest speed rather. So C to D. What was his average speed in section B to C? Now, quite hard to read that actually. I think that is right there, which is 7 kilometers. Yeah, and C is right there, which is between 10 and 15, 12.5 kilometers. So the distance travelled is going to be from 7 to 12.5, so I'll make that 5.5 kilometers. And this is quite easy. It took the guy 2 hours to walk that, so the time is going to be 2 hours. And therefore the average speed is going to be from B to C is going to be as follows. Going to be the distance divided by the time taken, and that will give me what's half of 55, so 27, so 2.75 kilometers per hour. Let's just check that, be absolutely sure. 5.5 divided by 2, yeah, 2.75 kilometers per hour. That's just for B to C alone. Now for this one here, what was his average speed for the whole walk? Well, how far did he go? He went from 0 up to, let's read that back, really hard. It's either going to be there or there, I can't tell. Oh, there would you say? Or 1 square down? Let's go for that one instead. Let's rub it out so we don't get confused. So if I would decide that that's 2 squares away from this line here, so that's going to be there. So what have I got here? 15, 16 and a half. Okay, so 16.5 kilometers from my view of this, I think. That's what I'm going to go with anyway. 16.5, and it took from 0 to 5 hours. Okay then, so here we go. Average speed for the whole journey is going to be the total distance, 16.5. Hope I'm right. If not, you can see why I've made a mistake. It's not because I can't do the maths, it's because I can't read the little squares. Divided by 5. I mean, it wouldn't have been lovely if it'd gone for 17 and 1 extra square there. And I don't think it is just 1 square below this darker line. It'll still be 17 over 5, which won't be very pleasant anyway. Anyway, so 16.5, divide that by 5. That comes to 3.3. That's quite pleasant. So the average speed is 3.3. Oops, gone glitchy. 3.3 kilometers per hour. And that's that one done. And that's the end of real life graphs as far as Unit 3 goes. And see you in a minute for 8.3.